We all love bacon wrapped snacks. Get ready for a new one, and I'm not talking about wrapping Oreos. This week we're going to wrap some pickles with pastrami spice and a creamy horseradish sauce, so stay tuned. Hey, what's shaking, guys? I'm Brad Prose. Welcome to my channel. You're probably here looking for new ideas about grilling and barbecue. If that's you, please click subscribe below and let's get into it. Today we're making another fun appetizer, bacon wrapped pickles, but we're going to take them one step further and season them with some pastrami rub. So this isn't a recipe to make pastrami bacon. What this recipe is we're going to use a custom blend of pastrami spices and seasonings and season the bacon to taste like pastrami and kind of tie in the pickle flavors together. Here's a snapshot of the recipe of the seasoning. The full recipe is going to be on my website or the description below. The seasoning works really well because the bacon's already cured. So you're going to have that smoky, salty, umami flavor from the bacon. And this pastrami spices come in and tie together that acidic flavor of the pickle. Really goes well with that horseradish cream sauce that we're going to make too. I'm going to share just a couple quick tips for success and then we'll jump right into it. Feel free to use a higher temperature like 300. If you do that, you just need to make sure that you dial back the time on the recipe. You don't want your bacon to burn, so just be mindful, watch it closely, and adjust as you need to. So I have made this recipe with either thick cut bacon or just traditional bacon. Again, just focus on the timing, both work just fine, and you don't need toothpicks. All right, let's pop open a jar of pickles and get to it. So the pastrami spiced bacon wrapped pickles are done. They smell incredible. That coriander, the peppercorns coming off. I can't wait to dip it in this creamy horseradish sauce as well. This is going to be off the hook. Let me try it. Guys, the spice rub is banging because that peppery flavor that you get with the brown sugar, the fennel seeds that kind of tie in the flavors of the pickles that are inside here. It's so good with that creamy horseradish that just gives you that pop with the chives. It's the perfect appetizer. I just want to destroy this plate, but I gotta share. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this recipe, please hit subscribe below. Feel free to drop a comment. Tune in next week as I drop another hit. And cheers, everybody.